So hey guys, my name is Souvik and I play the keys and I'm the sublead vocalist in Aarohan.
Hey everyone, my name is Neelav and I'm the lead vocalist of Aarohan.
Hello guys, my name is Pirele. I am the drummer of Aarohan.
Hello guys, my name is Shankar Thapa and I recently joined this band.
So the story of Aarohan begins in 2019. 2019. I met Neelav, who is our lead vocalist. We were a part of another group. So I met him there. Then we decided let's do something of our own. We used to sing and all those there, but we didn't have anything of ours. So we thought let's form another group and let's do our kind of music. So I met Neelav there. Pralay is the guy who plays the drums. They were friends at school. So I met Pralay through Neelav. Pankaj, through Neelav, and Shankar, our lead guitarist. And we met Shankar in another gig. Sujit, he approached us कि एक gig करना है. So then Shankar came there. So then we thought, this guy is good. He has got some really good skills. So we asked him, हम लोग का band का part बनोगे? So he said yes. So that's how we are Aarohan.
The meaning of Aarohan means ascending. It means going ahead. So the name of the band was not given by any of our band members. It was given by Neelav, younger sister Mingmoy Chakraborty.
So since our childhood, we were all interested in music.
We grew up watching some fabulous bands and all those, and every time we attended gigs and we saw people performing, we were like, कब हमें वो मौका मिलेगा, like to go on stage. So then when we grew up, me and Neelav, initially we were part of another group. Like they called us for singing.
Yeah.
So we were a part of that group, but then things went wrong with that group. We
Like to quit that group.
we had to leave that group. Then we were like, gigs था नीलव के पास, so we were like, चलो
Let's
खुद
form
का
a
कुछ
band.
करती है.
Let's form a band and let's do something.
So that's how Aarohan began. Influences.
There are many.
कितनों का नाम ले यार.
Yeah,
We
बहुत
get
सारे,
influenced
बहुत
by
सारे.
anyone and everyone. Like
Like Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh, Atif Aslam.
In drums we have Matt Magyar also.
There is no end basically. Western में Linkin Park, Dream Theater. Like there's no end. There's no end. Local Train, Pineapple Express. If you guys haven't listened to Pineapple Express, do listen to them. They are
They are
India's
really good.
finest progressive metal band. So we get influenced by everyone. Everyone in this field.
Even
It's
we
just
also
awesome.
we like to get many ideas that we get
Yeah.
from different
Yeah,
music
yeah,
bands. They're performing this genre or
Exactly.
that type of music. So
Yeah.
we should also gain some knowledge in music, right?
Exactly.
I met Neelav in college. When I talked with him, he said that he sings songs and he used to do his own composition also. And I asked him that time that whether he needs a drummer or any percussionist in his band. So he said he needs a drummer. So I started to playing drums. After that, after some days or some months, we started with YouTube channel. We thought to upload a video on YouTube. So we uploaded a video on YouTube, but it was reported as sexual content. But it did not contain anything like that. We made this video very simple and very energetic so that people will enjoy. The viewers will get more. But views was also good. Everything went wrong. So we decided to upload one more video and we uploaded that video also. Since 2 or 1 month back we uploaded that video. Now we are practicing more and I think we will come up with more videos on YouTube.
Our future plan for Aarohan is that we are going to keep on improving ourselves, our skills, and we have decided to do lots of gigs because gigs will help us to improve our skills more and more. We have decided to come up with many originals on our YouTube channel. Our next plan is to come up with a few more YouTube videos. Till now we have only done classical, Bollywood and Sufi songs, but we are trying to make our band even more versatile. We are trying to do genres like jazz, blues and indie rock. So the message we like to give our audience is that practice. Practice is the most important thing if you want to do something in life.
Without practice कुछ नहीं होगा. No one is perfect.
Yeah.
We all have to practice.
And you must have a teacher, because if you have a teacher, you'll have guidance. And if you have guidance, your skills and your talent will multiply.
If you want to gain some success in your life, you'll get failed, but don't step back or
Yeah.
don't
Yeah, bro.
You should have
try
that.
hard.
You should have
You'll
that
get your
persistence.
success.
Yeah. You'll fail a lot.
Yeah, you're gonna face a lot of
Because
hurdles.
nobody is getting success without failure.
Yeah. People are going to question you, like in this field, क्या होगा, क्या
They might
करोगे?
criticize you also.
But you should have faith in yourself.
Yeah.
Like
If you don't have faith in yourself, then you are in the
in the wrong
field.
track. Yeah.
So the initiative that Eastern Panorama has taken is really a great one. It can be really helpful for artists like us.
We would like to thank Eastern Panorama for giving us this wonderful opportunity to let the people know about ourselves and the art form that we represent.
So we are really grateful to get this opportunity to express ourselves.
We all band members of Arohan, we would like to thank Eastern Panorama for supporting us and giving us this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thanks.
जो तू मेरी बन गई